summer phone, come what may. You got that mood on, so alive, yeah, that rouge is so right. Be my siren, my private beach. I'll be the swell in the flow. Watch that water, we're waiting slow. A deep breath, we're heading below. I swim with you in the low tide. Breathe it high night. Stay forever, forever the right side. Don't let go. I'll be the wave that you ride. Wrap so tight. I'm in your silk lines. Nowhere to be. Yeah, you spin a rewind. A shimmer light. I see them bones bright. Come get kaleidoscope high, girl. You and I. Be a woman, my deep marine. And I'll be the stars that you know.
The goal of this week was to finish our fish survey dives, which we did on Thursday after diving 2 days, Monday through Thursday. After our second dive on Wednesday, this crazy storm hit, and it lasted for hours, and it was raining so bad that there was like water everywhere. You could not hide from it. And so after like maybe half an hour of trying to like stay dry, we decided to just join it, and we all put our raincoats on and ran to the balcony. On Friday, we headed to Androsia, where we learned about the Bohemian style of dyeing cloth, and even got to make our own. Androsia is a type of dye that works by putting wax on stencils and putting the stencils on the cloth, and then when the cloth is dyed, wherever the wax is, the dye doesn't go through. And then after that, we headed to a lighthouse, and we were all getting ready to get in the water, and all of a sudden we saw like 3 dolphins out in the close to the shore, and we all ran in, and for the next half an hour we like watched them swim around us. It was really cool. So that's the second time in my life I've swam with dolphins in the wild. On the way back from the dolphins and everything, we decided to stop at this restaurant for dinner, and it was this guy's house, and he was barbecuing pork and chicken, and it was some of the best food we've had since we've been here, like after 2 weeks of eating like nothing but rice and noodles. So we were kind of excited about stuff. I'll be the way that you ride. And then on Saturday morning, we woke up early to volunteer at this pop-up spay and neuter clinic in the town here, and we worked over the course of the day. Cats and dogs would come in to get checked out by the volunteer doctors, and they would get spayed or neutered, or they would get vaccines, and then we would also give them flea and tick treatments. This is really important to the community of this island because there are a lot of wild dogs and stuff like that, and they're not spayed or neutered, and so they just grow the population, and then they kind of suffer because there's not a lot of food and stuff out here. So after we celebrated our days of hard work by having a barbecue at Timmy's Bar, the whole community, well, not the whole community, but a lot of the community turned out, and everyone brought something, and so we had tons of good food for the second day in the row. We had like potato salad, wings, burgers, conch salad, hot dogs, mac and cheese, rice, and pork, And then we had like desserts. We had like 3 different types of cupcakes. We had a chocolate cake, a fruit cake, and so it was like a great way to end our week. And then yesterday actually marked my second week of being here, which means that I am halfway done with the program. And I guess at this point I'm just super itchy. I have been eaten alive by mosquitoes. You don't need to see it, but it's all over. I look like this, which means I'm having a great time because, yeah. But yeah, so just ignore this for today. And yeah, so I think besides not being able to sleep and not eating well, it's been a really great experience, and I'm excited for the next 2 weeks. And then I'm also really excited to go home and sleep in my own bed. I'm probably gonna sleep for like 30